guys, and today I'm going to be mixing random things into my slime. The same crafter slime. So, I already did two. These, I added food dye and I added confetti. And in case you're wondering where the hell my LOL is, well, don't need to wonder because she's right with me. I'm going to show her to you right now. Let me get stupid thing to close. Let me show this to her. Yeah. She's right here. She's called BB Bob. She's so cute. She's from my cousin. She's adorable. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go get the toothpaste for my next slime deer. Okay, guys, I'm back and I've got the toothpaste. So here's the slime. And here it is when I'm gonna mix it with the toothpaste. If you want to see me mixing it, here it is. It's not that clean. Right here, I guess it's fine. Right there. So here it is. Here. Okay, it's here. So here I'm adding some toothpaste. Just using a small, tiny amount. And I'm gonna have to mix it with one hand because I only have one glove on. Don't know where the other one went. Okay, this slime is going good. It's not dissolving or anything like what happened to everything in him. It is kind of starting to dissolve. It's getting a little bit sticky. Ooh, sticky. See how I do this? Okay, it is still good. Ish. Yeah. I'm not gonna put this in the yellow ball. I think I'm gonna just have to throw this in the trash. But I promised you I'm gonna mix everything up in the end, so I have to. R.I.P. other beautiful slimes. Oh, this is tough. Okay. R.I.P. LOL. R.I.P. Nah. I can barely see where it is. There it is. And guys, for now, I'm just gonna make it. But in the next video, I'm gonna mix them all up. Ew. Moving on. I'm gonna add some milk powder to the slime, and we'll see how it goes. Cause like, why not? That's random. It's an item and it's random. So why not add it into our slime? Right. So I've got some nail polish remover with the slime right here. You can mix together. It kind of activates the slime. I don't know. It is kind of activating literally, I want to add this to the whole bucket of slime because it's literally activating the slime. Ish. So this is the finished result right here. It's kind of cool. And the LOL ball. I feel so sorry for this LOL ball. I should give it a bath. Oh, darn it. Too fat. Please don't say they're mixed. Fine. Or as they say, Alhamdulillah. Something like that, yeah. Okay. It's mixed in. Right there. As you can see, it's kind of mixing in with the slime that I added food coloring to, but don't worry, it's fine. Because I am going to mix it in all that. Okay guys, so you're wondering what I'm going to do with the rest of this slime. Well, I'm not going to damage it, so I'm not going to do anything with this one. I'm just going to keep it how it is. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed me mixing all these slimes up. So, bye.